all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup ghee melted. Mix well. Add water as per required. Knead in a medium hard dough. Rest for 10 minutes. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. 1 onion finely chopped. Cook on medium flame until translucent. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. A half kg boiled potatoes. Mash coarsely. Cook for 2 minutes. Green chilies chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Set aside. Apply water. Add potatoes mixture. Apply water. Medium heated oil. Fry on low to medium flame until crispy.